Bhakti J. Amwani.
I am Tulsi Bamani.
I am Aditi Patel. Today I and my all friends are going to give you much information on the topic soil, like what is soil profile, how is soil formed, types of soil, layers of soil, and the last and the most important, how is soil formed. So come friends, let's start this video. Do you know what is this?
Yeah, this is soil.
What do you think? Is the soil important for us?
Definitely it is very important for us. When you hear the word natural resources, what comes in your mind? Most of the people think of sunlight, water, air. But what about the ground which you are standing on right now? Aditi, can you explain the same?
Sure, Tulsi. Soil is one of the most important natural resources. Now, do you know the meaning of natural resources? Things that we get from nature are called natural resources. As you know, plants grow in soil and it gives us many things like water and food. And yes, both the things are very much important. It provides anchorage to the plants and supplies them water and nutrients. Soil is also essential for agriculture. Agriculture provides us food, clothing and shelter to all. Soil is thus an inseparable part of our life. The earthy fragrance after the first rain of soil will always be refreshing.
Now I would like to call Aryan Chaturvedi for explaining you on the topic of weathering.
Today I am here to tell you how soil is formed. You probably know that the soil is formed by the breaking down of huge rock into smaller pieces by the action of wind, water and climate. This process is called weathering. Now you know how soil is formed. Thank you.
Thank you Aryan for explaining us about the weathering. Now let's call our next friend Ishan Patel for explaining us about soil pollution.
Nowadays, you know how soil is polluted because of us, and I am here to share something about soil pollution. Nowadays, people are using polythene bag and plastic substances which pollute the environment. They also kill the organisms living in the soil. That is why there is demand to ban the polythene bag and plastic substances. The other substances which pollute the environment are a number of waste product, chemical and pesticides. The waste product and chemical should be treated before they are released into the soil. The use of pesticides should be minimized. Thank you.
So dear viewers, as you have seen, Ishan has explained you about soil pollution. But that's not it. You must understood about how to prevent it. So for the preventing of soil pollution explanation, let's call our next friend Jadav Avi.
Hello all, my name is Avi Jadhav. I am from 7th grade. As my friend has tell you that what is land pollution, and yes, it is done by us humans only. So there are some amazing steps that we can do to prevent the land pollution. First, we should not throw our home waste or any other waste in soil. We should use dustbin for that purpose. We should grow more and more trees or plants around us. We should use natural pesticides only for the agriculture purpose. We should stop deforestation. So I hope that you will follow these steps to prevent the land pollution. Thank you.
Avi for explaining us. So as Avi has explained you that we should stop soil pollution, but people and we are not listening to that. As आप लोग देख सकते हो, रिवर फ्रंट पहले कितना प्रिटी, कितना ब्यूटीफुल होता था. लोग वहाँ पर घूमने जाया करते थे, पर अभी वो उसका पानी बहुत पॉल्यूटेड हो चुका है, इसलिए पीपल वहाँ जाना पसंद नहीं करते. So I hope from today you and I will not pollute our environment, and one day we will make our world pollution free. So dear viewers, let's call our next friend Yadav Arpita for explaining you layers of soil.
Hello everyone, today I will tell you about layers of soil. The soil is composed of many layers like humus, water, clay, sand and gravel. Do you know what is the meaning of humus? The rooting dead matter present in soil is called humus. Do you know why humus is important for plants? Because it gives nutrient to plants. Second, water. You all know that soil absorbs water. Third, clay. In India, we also call clay as chikni mitti. From clay we can make toy, statue, etc. Gravel. The solid particle which settle down at bottom is called gravel. Thank you.
Thank you Arpita. So let's call our next friend Patel Ved for explaining you on the topic of profile of soil.
Hello everyone. As you have seen that my friend had explained about layers of soil. Layers are humus, water, sand, clay and gravel.
I will explain about soil profile. Soil profile is vertical section through different layers of soil. Do you know each layer differs in feel, color, depth and chemical composition. One more thing about soil profile is these layers are referred as horizons. So this is all about soil profile.
Thank you, Ved. So as we are going forward in the video, let's call our next friend Daksh Patel for explaining you on the topic of A horizon and B horizon.
Hello all, I am here to tell you about A horizon and B horizon. First of all, what is A horizon? The uppermost horizon is generally dark in color, and as it is rich in humus and minerals, the humus makes the soil fertile and provides nutrition to growing plant. This layer is generally soft, porous and can retain more water. It is called topsoil or A horizon. These provide shelter to many living organisms such as worms, moles, etc. The roots of small plant embedded entirely in the topsoil. Now B horizon. The next layer has lesser amount of humus but more of minerals. This layer is generally harder and more compact and is called B horizon or the middle layer.
Thank you, Daksh. So let's call our next friend Bhamani Tulsi for explaining you about sea horizon and bedrock.
The third layer is sea horizon, which is made up of small lumps with cracks and crevices, and below this layer there is bedrock, which is difficult to dig with spade.
Hello everyone. Today I will tell you about loamy soil. What is loamy soil? Loamy soil is a mixture of sandy, clayey and one another type of soil, silt soil. What is this silt soil? This silt soil size is between clayey and sandy soil. It originates from river banks. What is the importance of loamy soil? Loamy soil have fertility as it presents humus in it, and it can absorb water and air fast, so it is best for growing plants. Pulses are well grown on the loamy soil. Three types of loamy soil are there: light loamy soil, medium loamy soil and highly loamy soil. Light loamy soil have sandy soil in greater amount rather than silt and clayey soil. Medium loamy soil have three components in equal amount, and in highly loamy soil, clayey soil is more rather than clayey and silt soil.
Thank you, Shrishti. So let's call our next friend Teerth Shah. He will explain you about the soil erosion.
The removal of land surface by water, wind or ice is called soil erosion. Plant root firmly bind the soil. In the absence of plant, soil becomes loose, so it can be removed by wind or flowing water. Erosion of soil is more severe in areas of little or no more surface vegetation, such as desert and badlands. So cutting out trees and deforestation should be prevented and make some more effort to increase the green areas.
Thank you, Tulsi. So let's call our next friend Vidhi Patel for explaining you about sandy soil.
Hello, good morning. My name is Vidhi Patel and I am here to explain you about sandy soil. The soil is classified on the basis of the proportion of particles of various sizes. If soil contains greater proportion big particles, so it's called sandy soil. Sandy soil color is light brown and it is found actually in low rainfall regions area. So the vegetables, roots, crops like parsnips, potatoes and carrots are the favor of sandy soil. Do you know what are the other use of sandy soil? Yes, sandy soil are also used in construction work of building. Thank you.
Good morning to all. I am here to explain you about clay soil. Now, what is clay soil? If the proportion of fine particles is relatively higher, so then it is called clay soil. Clay soil are used for construction since ancient time. It can be used in dry in fire to make adobe bricks. Now, what are the type of clay soil? There are 4 types of clay soil differ in characteristic depending on amount of clay. Clay soil are made up of over 25% of clay. So thank you.
So friends, this was our video on the topic of soil. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.